Today we are going beyond the conventional view of blast furnace Tuyere. We'll explore how a simple yet powerful linear equation can transform raw pressure data into actionable intelligence for predictive control and optimization. The Tuyere is often seen as a nozzle for blast furnace injection, but in reality it is high frequency initiative sensor. The equation you see here, delta P Tuyere equals V Tuyere times 0.0035 minus 0.353 is the key. This is not just math, it is the bridge from empirical curiosity to predictive operation. We are shifting from seeing the Tuyere as a passive consumable part to recognizing it as a critical real-time data source. This presentation will show how this single linear equation turned pressure data into process intelligence. Let's break down the equation. The term V Tuyere times 0.0035 represents the dynamic pressure loss, the energy needed to accelerate gas. The constant 0.353 is not just a calibration number, it is a system's fingerprint, capturing geometry, friction, and baseline resistance. This is not a model, it is a system's transfer function. Unstable raceway cause erratic combustion and pressure oscillation. The RSI help us monitor this in real time. If RSI is above plus 5%, we may have raceway constriction. Below minus 5%, it could indicate nozzle erosion. This allows not reactive replacement. Averaging top gas data can hide local asymmetries. With the RSI mapped across all tier, we get a real-time view of the furnace's pulse. Red zone shows high resistance, blue zones indicate short circuiting. This is your actionable map to achieve the symmetry. Pushing productivity blindly is risky. With dynamic pressure budgeting, we break down blast pressure into predictable and variable component. This let us drive the furnace to its true dynamic limit, not a static conservative one. We are no longer just operators, we are data scientists. This formula fits into AI model for refractive wear, cohesive zone stability, and PCI distribution. Imagine a self-optimizing furnace that adjusts oxygen level automatically. This is the bridge to Industry 4.0. To summarize, master the basics. Shift from reactive to predictive. Think in maps, not averages. Integrate and automate. Stop managing pressure. Start decoding signatures.